Hello everyone. In today's video we will talk about past continuous or past progressive tense. So first of all, let's see what is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense refers to a situation that is temporary and short-termed at past time. The action that was ongoing or in progress at a specific point in the past. It refers to the existence of a situation, state of affairs, which was not completed in the past. The action was in progress. It is formed by combining the past tense of the verb to be, that is, was or were, with the base form of the main verb and the suffix ing like running, eating, or playing. Here the base form of the verb is run, eat, and play, and we add suffix ing with these verbs to make it progressive. And when we use the helping verbs was or were, it makes past continuous tense. Now the question arises, what type of action is used in past continuous tense, or which type of action past continuous tense shows? It shows ongoing or progressive past action. The action started in the past and it was still continued at the specific time period we are talking about. Suppose we have a past time frame. This circle shows the past time, and let's suppose that the action started at this specific point and the action was continued. It was not completed at the time we are talking about. Now we will see the sentence structure of past continuous tense. So the structure of simple sentence is subject, then was or were, then we add ing with the base form of verb and then object. The examples are: she was walking along the beach while the sun was setting in the distance. They were having dinner at the new restaurant. The children were playing in the garden. The construction workers were repairing the road when a heavy storm hit the area. She was cooking dinner when her friend called to invite her to movies. The students were working on their group project. By examining these examples, we see that was is used with singular nouns and were is used with plurals. Look at the first example. She is a singular noun, so we use was. In the second example, they is the plural noun, so were is used with they. Children is a plural noun, so were is used. The sentence structure of negative sentences is subject, was or were, then we add not and first form of verb with ing and object. For example, she was not walking along the beach while the sun was not setting in the distance. They were not having dinner at the new restaurant. The children were not playing in the garden. The construction workers were not repairing the road when a heavy storm hit the area. She was not cooking dinner when her friend called to invite her to the movies. The students were not working on their group project. So in negative sentences, with the help of not, we present the negation of any action or statement. And the sentence structure of interrogative sentences is was or were, subject, form of verb with ing and object and question mark. So to make interrogative sentences, all the helping verbs are brought at the start of the sentence. For example, was she walking along the beach while the sun was setting in the distance? Were they having dinner at the new restaurant? Were the children playing in the garden? Were the construction workers repairing the road when a heavy storm hit the area? Was she cooking dinner when her friend called to invite her to the movies? Were the students working on their group project? We make interrogative sentences by bringing the helping verbs at the start of the sentence and adding question mark at the end of the sentence. And next is the sentence structure of negative interrogative sentences. That is, was or were, subject, not, first form of verb with ing, object and question mark. We can say that this is a mixture of negative sentence and interrogative sentence. For example, was she not walking along the beach while the sun was setting in the distance? Were they not having dinner at the new restaurant? Were the children not playing in the garden? Were the construction workers not repairing the road when a heavy storm hit the area? Was she not cooking dinner when her friend called to invite her to the movies? Were the students not working on their group project? The entire past continuous tense can be represented in the form of this diagram. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to share it, like it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.